The first stop on our trip was Virginia Beach. It's a popular tourist destination, hence a bit crowded, but many activities to do. This is the boardwalk in Virginia Beach, and it's a huge walking way along the beach. So this guy over here is known as Neptune. And most important thing what you should do here is take a picture for Instagram. So right now I'm at a place known as Kitty Hawk, and at this place about a century ago Wright brothers flew the first controlled man-made aircraft. Why they choose this place? Who knows? But they did it here. And this is the replica of the exact plane which they flew 100 years back. So this is actually the exact place where they flew the plane, and these stones show the attempts. So they made 4 attempts. So their first 3 attempts were failed. So as you can see, the stones are just here, and the 4th attempt was successful, which they went all the way over there. And at that time it was a sand, so this was a beach. Right now sea is just next to it, but now there is a grass. So they took off from that stone and they went all the way over there. This place is just amazing. After Kitty Hawk, we started our journey towards the south through the area known as Outer Banks. It's a narrow strip of land surrounded by sea on the both sides. We were enjoying the scenery, but pretty soon we encountered one problem. Because of heavy rain and the proximity to sea, the roads were flooded with water. So right now we are going to Ocracoke Island, and the best part about that island is the journey. Let me show you why. Because the only way to go there is this. I never had this experience of taking a car on a ferry, so this was new for me. And you know what was the surprising part? This ferry is totally free. And once you come on the island, what you can do is see this.
you can visit Ocracoke Lighthouse. And yes, plenty of delicious food. But undoubtedly, the best thing to do is visit Ocracoke Beach.
So as you can see, there are very few people here because this is a beach on the island, so many people can't come here. But because of that, it's a beautiful beach, very clean and huge. On our return journey, we got a chance to enjoy the amazing sunset and spectacular colors. But suddenly, the air got flooded with some kind of flies and they started to hit the car windshield. And in no time, the whole windshield was covered with their white blood and it was very hard to see the road. And the blood was so sticky that we had to stop the car on the side of the road and clean it with water manually. And again, our journey continued through undoubtedly one of the most beautiful places on the planet, Outer Banks. Why I don't get views on my YouTube videos? And why no one subscribes? My aim is just 1,000, not million. This 1,000 is like million for me. Anyway, stop thinking about it, Chunk. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. I can't. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere you want. If you have any inputs, please comment down below and thanks for watching.